paper number 031. The topic is comparative study of design and development of the routing protocol for better performance of the wireless sensor network. Vaishali Thorat.
Good afternoon to all of you. Actually, today I am presenting the topic that is comparative study of design and development of routing protocol for the better performance of the wireless sensor network. Um, I am Vaishali Thorat, PhD scholar of ENTC department from Himalayan University, Arunachal Pradesh. I am working under the guidance of Dr. Lalit Kumar Vadwasar, Principal NMIET, SPPU Talegaon, Pune, and Dr. Satish Kumar, Himalayan University, Arunachal Pradesh. This is the abstract of my topic. Actually, this is the work which is protocol designing, right? In that, few things are important, and that are the sensors, nodes, routing, what is routing, what exactly the protocols are, what is network security, like that. So we know that the network are the important and useful devices in wireless sensor network. We are using that as a sensing as well as a processing devices, processing purposes. We are using multiple nodes for the networking purpose. And what exactly the sensors are doing? Sensors are monitoring and controlling that. So in this work, we are designing the protocol that is nothing but the code or some software program which is used to control the networking or networks and number of nodes they are together. So we are using network simulator NS 2.34 for that, and for simulation we are using VMware software, right? So these are the keywords. AODV, that is ad hoc on demand distance vector routing, extended shortcut tree routing. These two types of protocols are compared, and the third one is invented, or we can say the we search the third routing protocol, that is ASTR, that is advanced shortcut tree routing. So basically, we must know some keywords or key factors that are essential before doing this work. That are the sensors. We know that the sensors are the devices that detects the environmental characteristics, and they are sending the signal to the base station. After that, they are using to access the further use. Every sensor is powered by some partition batteries, or we can say the extremely little power. The sensors are used to sense the device, sense the information, and send it to the next step, or we can say the processors. What are the nodes? Nodes are the points or junctions where the one or many things are joined together, right? So what are the role of nodes? Are to uh, combine the n number of things, n number of branches together. What are the role of sensors? Are the role of sensors are to detect the environmental characteristics, then find out what are the things which are essential. After that dealing, send the information to the next station or base station, we can say. What is routing? Routing is nothing but the process of selecting a path for traffic in the network, or we can say across the multiple network. Broadly, we can elaborate the routing is nothing but finding out the perfect path, right, for the system, or we can say the network. The example is PSTN, that is public switch telephone network, or we can say the internet also, the one of the example. Now, what are the protocols? Protocols are nothing but the set of the rules and the guidelines for the communicating data. These are the rules we can define for each step, each process during the communication between two or more computers. Again, the best example is internet coding. Now, what are the wireless sensor networks? Wireless sensor networks are they are nothing but again the networks, n number of networks, or we can say the bunch of networks. They can be accessed or controlled remotely, and hence the name wireless sensor networks, right? What are the network parameters when we are working on this? The network parameters are the main constraint. Few parameters like throughput, end-to-end delay, packet delivery ratio, jitter, the synonymous is noise, energy consumption. So these are the some parameters that are be considered in this work. What is the goal of this work? Is the goal of this work is the comparison of two traditional things or two traditional protocols, that are AODB and ESTR, and try to find out the new method, that is ASTR. Problem statement of this algorithm solves the two problems. First, it resolves the traffic problem, and this algorithm basically follows the ESTR, and it selects the one of the near node as a next hope, right? So these are the two problems solved by this algorithm. The example is given over here, that is the packet route from the source to destination. That is nothing but the sink node, and that goes down to the sink node again. Wireless sensor networks may come to be implemented for a lengthy interval of time, as we all are aware of that. Within this period of time, the preference from the network and the environment in that the nodes happens to be stationary, or we can say it is modified. This can be need enhancing the program performing on the sensor nodes. It may be extremely challenging for everyone. So we are working on that. We are making it easy, somewhat easy. Wireless sensor network is regarded as a most of the important potential field of the researcher interest in 21st century. We know that WSN field is surrounded by the enhancement of the wireless communication, and we are trying to help the users. What is the objective of these works? Are objective of these works are comparison of ad hoc on demand distance vector routing and extended shortcut routing protocol algorithm, and find out the new routing protocol, that is advanced shortcut rerouting. Design and development of the new protocol for the ASTR to enhance the overall performance of the wireless sensor network as a research work. We are executing this algorithm with the help of this ASTR protocol, and to execute the algorithm to analyze the routing protocol. These are the objectives, and basically comparison of all the performance parameters of ESTR and AODB. With the help of this, we can find out the ASTR, which is the new system with reference to average energy, delay, packet delivery ratio, how many packets are dropped, residual energy, throughput, etc. Now, the study of the network simulator is the main goal. NS 2.34 is used for this work on different aspects by taking the different node with respect to the simulation time. And the main motto of this is to reduce the simulation time. In this work, the time is reduced up to 100 seconds. Now, these are the parameters: throughput, end-to-end delay, packet delivery ratio, jitter, and average energy consumption, packet drop. These are the few parameters we are considering during this work. What is throughput is, it is defined as the number of successful packet acknowledged by the endpoint per unit time, right? What is delay? Delay is the excess of time which is required to extend the packet, or we can say it is defined the regular time taken by the information packet to extend the destination from source to destination, we can say. It includes all the probable delays, such as shielding during the routing and queuing during the interfacing, etc. Now, what is packet delivery ratio is, we can say it is defined as the proportion number of the data packets that are acknowledged by the destination to the number of packets created by the source. What is jitter is, it is exactly denotes the number of routing controller packets we can replace it at the network. What is average consumption of energy is, it is the energy spent by the data packet to reach the destination. And when we are sending the packets from source to destination, in between sometimes the loss of packets we occur, that is nothing but the packet drop. So we are finding out all these parameters and we are trying to improve the performance of all these parameters for the new routing protocol. This is the flow of the work we use. Basically, we are analyzing the traditional protocols. We are comparing all that existing protocols. In this work, we take the two protocols that are AODV and ESTR. We are comparing the existing protocols and we are selecting better one, and that better one are AODV and ESTR in my work. And we design the new protocol, that is ASTR. We are testing ASTR with existing protocols. If the things are all right as per our requirement, then we'll stop the work. Otherwise, we redesign and improve the performance of this new protocol ASTR. These are the simulation parameters, data simulation time, number of nodes. For this work, we vary the nodes from 0 to 200, number of connections that are 80, number of what is the connection rate is 4 kbps, map size is 100 into 100, and packet size is 512 byte. These are the readings taken on the simulator for the average energy, delay, packet delivery ratio, packet drop, residual energy, and throughput. If we observe in this the average energy readings, the energy required for the ASTR is less as compared to traditional one. The delay is very less in the ASTR as compared to traditional protocols. See, the packet delivery ratio is very good in the ASTR as compared to traditional one. In AODV it is 47, in ESTR it is 79, in this is it is around 90. If we observe the reading for packet dropped for 100 nodes, packet dropped in AODVR 223. For ESTR, it is 92. In a new one, it is 56. So it is proven that this ASTR is good with respect to all these performance parameters of the network. Now see the simulation result. Simulation results are given in the chart. Simulation result of the proposed system are displayed here. We see the essential variations among the simulators and not really just the term of a complete value. However, likewise, when it comes to the basic patterns. These are the chart of the readings which are given in previous slides, and charts are also shows that the green color is of the design protocol ASTR. This is the green color, and this is the average energy consumption. Energy consumption is less in ASTR as compared to traditional protocols. So these are the chart of the readings. See, delay is very less in the proposed protocol as compared to traditional one. Ma'am, is it visible?
Actually,
Hello?
your slides are not moving on. No problem, ma'am. I think there is a problem from your side. So, can
Slides
you
are not
please
moving.
conclude? Can you please? Yeah, yeah, it is visible.
This is the comparison of the all
Actually,
protocols
ma'am,
that are.
there is only a 10 minutes presentation we are expected here. So,
Okay, ma'am.
can you
Okay, fine.
please conclude
Yes,
your,
yes, I am concluding my
yeah,
topic. This is the
yeah,
comparison of all protocols, that is AODV, ESTR, and ASTR. See, with respect to these performance parameters, the three type of protocols are over here, and compare the overall performance of the new design routing protocol is better as compared to traditional one, that is given over here is throughput of the ASTR is better as compared to the traditional one. Packet delivery ratio is more as compared to traditional protocols. Packet dropped is very less in the proposed system as compared to traditional one, and delay is also very less. So this is the conclusion. average energy consumption of the proposed system is less as compared to all traditional protocols. ESDR algorithm solves the problem of ESDR by using the one hook neighbor intimation with the same. It is the algorithm which solve the problem of the traffic which is facing by everyone. This algorithm follows the ESDR, but it select one of the near node as a next hop node. When all this, we use the tree structure for this to the sink node, when the main is assigned as the address sink and the route towards the sink node. These are the references used for the my work, which are very helpful for me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.